Today we're going to make this pit bike into a third-person video game platform where we're going to attempt to ride it in a fully immersive view. Whoa! As if, you know, we were playing a video game. Cat! Yo! Oh, it looked at me when I yelled at it. Alright, so let's rig this thing up.
So, quick breakdown of what we did here. We got Jacob's DJI Neo drone with a headset, and then we whipped out the Insta360 motorcycle mount and rigged the drone to that, giving us a pretty decent field of view. Since it was Jacob's gear and bike on the line, he took the first test ride.
Oh my god. Oh! Oh, dude. Alright, wait, I need the controller. Yeah, it's recording. I need the controller though. My screen, I'm looking at the sky right now. Hold on, I gotta fix the camera again. Oh. The camera's like, it's kind of glitching out. Alright.
Yeah, I'm gonna move this onto the headset.
I think I need to be there. Wow, dude, it works so good. Oh my god. Alright, who's next? So the only thing is, while you're riding, it's kind of bouncy. So you gotta like kind of like keep your head up, and because it's gonna like make you want to look down at it. And if you keep your head up, you stay balanced.
Okay, yeah, I think it did. Alright, let me sit on this thing. I'm gonna point.
Just run it though. Is it looking too high?
Yeah, all I see is the top of my head. Awesome. Is it recording?
Yeah. Do you see it says recording on the right? It's
Yeah.
like 3 minutes. Or
It says no storage. Oh, in the headset.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if I can remember how to start this bike. I can see it. Oh, okay. First gear. Okay, let's give this a try. I'm gonna ride right into the sun. Oh God. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here goes nothing. Oh my God! Oh, this is the worst idea I've ever had. Oh! Oh, whoa! Oh my God! This is insane. This is the craziest feeling. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, whoa! Camera went crazy. Whoa! Oh my God. I have no depth. Turning's a little funky. Oh my God. This is terrifying. The camera's going nuts on me. Holy shit. Yep. I don't know if I want to do that again. Yeah, that's the end of the video. No one crashed, no one died. Crazy experience.